What's the meaning of coverage? Coverage. Coverage.
Coverage. Coverage. Coverage refers to the extent to which something is reported or analyzed by a particular news outlet or media source. In essence, it is an indicator of the comprehensiveness of reporting on a particular topic or event. The quality of coverage can vary greatly depending on factors such as bias, editorial policy, and resource constraints. Inaccurate or incomplete coverage can have significant consequences, including misinformation and biased opinions. Therefore, it is important for news outlets and media sources to strive for comprehensive and unbiased coverage on all topics they report on.